Always something. Now I'm making a line going from my coolant reservoir to my turbo on my Opel. I already made one end here, taped it off to where I need to cut it, and then put this bad boy on. Alright, got it cut, got it pushed through. Now I just got to put this end in. Then should be ready to go on the turbo and the coolant tank. Alright, there you go. All made. Now I gotta go from here to here. Well, there you have it. All done. Now, gotta do one for down here to the block for my drain on the oil feed, or the oil drain, sorry. I already got my oil feed here and already run way back there. Hey, look at that. Another $40 line. See how much money you save when you make your own. Well, there you have it. Oil drain, coolant feed, and way back there I have the turbo feed. Now I just gotta run one more down bottom here up to here for my return for the coolant, and then that's all done.